Hey guys, so we're back with a review, and this time we are reviewing. Okay, I think I worked with this. Yeah, I think I worked with this company before, so I just gotta put it down below because I totally forgot. Sorry, but I know I worked with them before. I just forgot their names, and I got Howie. Give me a second. Got it. Okay. So I think so they sent me some lashes this time. This is actually the first time being sent lashes and not having lashes already being in like hair that was sent to me or I've purchased. This is the first time actually getting sent lashes. Let's open them. They reached out to me and they want, ooh, look how many pairs of lashes. Cause let me tell you something. If you wear lashes, you know it's never too much lashes, and you know, you just need lashes. You just need lashes. Now I don't wear them like outside, all the time. It's like rare that I wear them outside, but when I'm like filming and like doing makeup tutorials and stuff, you need a good lash. Okay, okay. All right, so I'm excited. If y'all want to see where this was done, you could check in a video. I'll probably post it right here or down below. Ooh, let's go with the first pair. Because we can say that. We got so many pairs. We're going to call this the gold baby because we have a gold background. And she is pretty, honey. She is pretty. Ooh. I'm not gonna put them on now. But yeah, she's pretty. That's the gold baby. All right, now let's go. Next caller. Next caller. Let's go with the light pink baby because I think it's more than more pinks. Okay, she's a little thick. I don't typically go for something like this. The gold one is what I'll go for, like if I'm trying to be dramatic, but she's pretty thick. And then she flares out. So I don't know. This is definitely when I'm doing makeup tutorials. Like I wouldn't even be this bold and go outside with this. I don't need, because this is not my style for real, but who knows, when I put it on it might look different than when it's like on here in the box. Okay, so let's go. We're going in order. Dark pink. Oh, this is like a pinkish purple background. So let's go her. She's cute. She's typical what I would do with the hair tutorial. She's cute. I like her. Still thick, but like, if I did dare to go outside with this one, it would be for like a birthday. Definitely, but not like every day. That's not my style. That's just too much for me. Okay. Okay. So, let's go. Ooh, green background. Okay, she's different because she's giving me dark on the outer corners. I've never seen that before, and lighter in here. This is real different. So I don't know if you can see. It might look different on the eyes because sometimes it looks different on the eyes. But she's different. She's really different. You see the darker. She's different. Like dark in the outer corner and lighter. But we could dig it. We could try it out, you know. Because I got so many to try out. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Y'all, I'm just putting them back in the box. That's why it's taking me so long. This is, I don't know, like a reddish, pinkish. I don't know, right? But she's dark. She's definitely a makeup tutorial. I mean, they all makeup tutorials, but like some of them I would dare to go outside. But this one, nah. maybe birthday, but I'm not gonna wear this regular life. Nah, because this is too thick. It's too thick for me. Too thick for me. Let me make sure I didn't skip. Did I skip? Oh, I skipped. We can't be skipping, love. She's cute too. I'm saying this is like a red background, pinkish red. Who knows? But I like this one. I've never did this one before. This is cute. Can you picture it on me? What? Like, this one's nice. I like it. What would you say you would wear this? Would you wear this outside? I don't know. Definitely not outside because it's still dramatic. But these would probably be one of my favorites doing like a TikTok or a makeup tutorial. These would be one of my favorites. Like, I'm into the whole how it looks like flary. Not flary, but like thick, then not thick, thick, then not thick. I'm into that because it gives me like a baby doll feeling, you know? Okay. I'm going in order. I was skipping, y'all. Who does that? So I'm keeping my hand here for placement. So this is yellow. This is my Delio. This is one of my favorites. I love this one. Let's get this to focus. But I love it. Love it, love it, love it. These are my favorites. Like, I love ones like this. Definitely one of my favorites where I'll just always do a TikTok and always do a makeup tutorial. Always. My favorite, my favorite, my favorites. Okay. I like that they have like colored backgrounds. It's so cute. Ooh, this color background is so cute. And so are these lashes. Look at these. What's on here? Oh, nothing. What is this? I think it's like glue. It's definitely glue. We gonna have to make sure mine is correct, because you feel me? Okay, so these are very, very pretty, and I love the background. These are very pretty. These will probably be one of my favorites to use in a tutorial and a TikTok. Go outside? No, but these, I would definitely wear these for birthday. But outside, nah. Because I'm not an outside girl with the lashes. They gotta look really, really natural for me to wear them. And I gotta be going somewhere. I'm not finna just put lashes on. Oh, I like these. Purple too. So it's giving really deep in the outer, but not so light in the inner. It's still giving, you know? I like. And it has a little flare, not too much of a flare. So yeah, I like. And last but not least, we got a green background. These are smaller, but still the kind that you saw me, I said, ooh, sorry. These are smaller, but still the kind that I would thing with. Like, yeah, these are cute. Yeah, these are cute. I like these. Look at that. Let's get a focus, love. Here we go. So these are cute. These are cute. These are cute. Yeah, so these is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pairs of king lashes. These are nice. These are really, really nice. And I like that they have a little color coordination going on. Yes. So comment down below which one you like better. Add the color so I can know. But I like them all. Some of them is just extra dramatic, and I wouldn't go for extra dramatic. But definitely on like the videos and stuff, I'll do that. Yeah, so this was my short review. I will put everything down below, where to get it, the link to get it. What else? think that's it, right? Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and the name, I'll put it down below. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.